Hello there, today I will show you how to get free Pocket FM coins in 2025. This hack is wild, this mod is going to blow your socks off. So as you can see, I got tons of coins, and to do this, it's so easy. We just need to get the Pocket FM mod. So to do that, we're just going to go to this website right here. It's called zoomods.com. Alright, so this is the site. So once you're on it, guys, just head for the search bar, type in Pocket FM, and you should see it. So before it downloads, guys, I think it is downloading right now. We are gonna have to do a verification. So this is a one-time process. All we gotta do is download some apps and complete the instructions. They're 100% for free, and they're from the official app store. So this will ensure that we get the Pocket FM mod on our device. So yeah, I'm just trying to show you guys how to become rich on Pocket FM. So let's see if it loads. I'm not really sure. Yeah, there we go. So as you can see, it says please install 2 free apps. There's going to be around 4 of them, guys, to choose from. It does not really matter which one you choose. You just make sure you read the instructions on it. You can see Family Island says reach level 10. The golf game also says reach level 10. So just press tap to install. It's going to bring you to the app store. You just download the app. So I'll see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe. But yeah, I did Family Island. You had to reach level 10. I did that one. So yeah, they're pretty simple. But yeah, I'm going to see you guys later. So yeah, subscribe to the channel. As you can see, I got tons of coins right there. That is super cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video though, because this is super wild for me. I don't really do stuff like this because I've been hunting daily and I couldn't find a method, but this method actually works. All you have to do is complete that verification and you guys should be all set. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys want to get free Pocket FM coins. So yeah, I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.